We will begin our lesson today with a warm-up sketch of some apples using an HB pencil. Remember to use the sketching hold while drawing. Here's a demonstration of the sketch. First, let's start out by drawing a couple of simple lines just to represent the branch. Next, using your whole arm, just quickly swirl in a couple of circles for the two apples. Next, you can erase the inside lines on the top apple. And the next step would be to correct the outline of each apple to make a more accurate contour line. Then you could take your eraser, your kneaded eraser, and carefully erase the old lines, just leaving the new contour lines. Next, just add kind of a skeleton of the branch that's coming down from below the apple on the right. And then just swirl in a couple of three big ovals for the leaves. Don't worry about the details, just get them placed and sized. Now you can go in and change the contour line of the leaves so that it's more accurately reflected. And again, take your eraser and get rid of the old lines. Next, you can add a skeleton for the branch on the left, and then you could draw the contour line of the branch, the actual branch, around the skeleton. And take your eraser and erase the inside lines in that branch. And lastly, we're just going to separate dark from light and draw the line of the shadows on both apples, but don't shade anything in right now. Next, we will perform a drawing exercise called continuous contour line drawing. This exercise is done to build your eye-hand coordination. There are a few rules to this exercise. 1. Draw the contour line of the outer edge of the shoe using one continuous line. 2. Do not lift up your pencil until you have completed the outer edge of the shoe. Then you may carefully draw the inner lines. Watch as I demonstrate this exercise. Using a pen or a dark pencil, you're going to put your pen down on the paper and not pick it up until we've gone all the way around the perimeter of our shape. I'm looking at a sneaker, and I'm going to start over here, and very slowly I'm going to follow the outline of the sneaker. I'm not concerned with proportions, size, shading, none of that's important. Right now, the only thing that's important is the outline. This is just an exercise to practice drawing an accurate outline. I'm moving very slowly. My shoe will probably not come out looking like a shoe. It might look like a bowl of spaghetti. Doesn't matter. I'm practicing my contour line drawing. I'm not using the sketching hold. As you can see, I'm using what I call the writing hold, and that's okay. But the important thing here is that I don't pick up my pen until I have made a complete tour around the shape and gotten to the other side. I have some shoelaces here that are in the way. I'm going to follow their outline. But all the little bumps and bulges, I want you to take your time, do this as slowly as you possibly can bring yourself to go, so that these lines are accurate and careful. Coming up to the top here, and now I've finished the outline. Next, I can go inside the shoe and draw some of the inside lines, like over here. I'm going to start with this piece here and work my way slowly around. There's lots and lots of stuff to do inside this shoe. I'm not going to do it all in this demonstration, but I think you get the idea that we have to slowly move around our shoe and fill in all the details on the inside. Next, we will use the technique we've learned to correct the contour lines on the fish we are drawing for our project. You can print off Lesson 2 now and start drawing.